I've been taking the culinary classes since the beginning of the school year, and it's been a really nice experience. Everyone's super sweet. My name's Faith Mitchell. I'm 17 years old and I go to Garfield High School. I've always really liked cooking and I've always done it like at home, and I thought getting into this class I would get more experience and it helped me like find better techniques and new recipes to try at home. The Prado is going to be like a fundraiser. We're going to have people from the district come in and we're going to have student speakers talk about their experience at Garfield and how it helped them. I'm going to be announcing all the speakers, and I'm like one of the main announcers essentially. I'm very nervous about that, but I'm very excited to do this event. I hope what they get out of the luncheon is that they see how schools like Garfield actually help kids, and hopefully they'll be able to regulate certain things into regular schools that will like make the kids feel like it's not as hopeless, like help them and like give them better ways to get education so they don't feel helpless like I did.